In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can watch Netflix for free in just few easy steps. So for the first step, you can open any of your favorite browser and simply search for Netflix free trial. If you search it, then you need to simply scroll it down. And here you will get many websites. So if I open this one, you can see here it's showing 3 legit ways to get Netflix for free. But the most reliable method is open new tab. You can search for T-Mobile Netflix. Search for it. You can open its official website. You can see here we offer this streaming deal with your plan. You can open it and scroll it down. You will see this. Activate your Netflix subscription. So there are 3 steps to activate it. Firstly, you need to log in with T-Mobile account on the web or the mobile app to redeem this offer. For the second step, then you need to select account and then add-ons next to the primary account holder line. And for the last step, you need to select manage data and then services to select your desired Netflix add-on. So we can start with by just clicking this button get started, and then you can create account here. After creating an account, you need to follow these steps to activate your Netflix subscription. If you found this video useful, then please like the video and subscribe to this channel. This is the legit way to get Netflix free trial in just few easy steps.